everyone, welcome to our math class. Today in this video we are going to discuss about converse of basic proportionality theorem, and this is the theorem we are going to prove. Okay, prove that the segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. To prove this we have to draw the triangle first. So let's do that. This is the triangle. Let us label this as A, B and C. Okay, and according to the statement we are going to draw this further. So let us understand one by one. Prove that segment joining the midpoints. Midpoint. So we have to mark the midpoints first. Midpoint means what? The point which is in the middle of the line. So let us take the AB line. If we say AB line, the middle point will be roughly somewhere here, right? And the middle point of AC will be somewhere here roughly. Okay, so those are actually the midpoints. Let us name that midpoint as this side as D and this is E. What is it saying? The segment joining the midpoint. So let us join those 2 points. Let us join those 2 points. So this becomes a segment, a line segment joining the points DE, joining the midpoints DE of any two sides. So this is one side, right? When we are talking about, of course, AB is a side of one triangle and AC is also another side of the triangle. Any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So which one is the third side? This is the third side. So is it not DE is parallel to BC? Do you see that? Right? So our diagram is clearly correct. Now let us write what is given in this diagram. We have to explain it in words. We just cannot draw, but we have to also explain it in words. So let us write those things in words. Okay. So triangle ABC, as you see here, in which D and E are midpoints of which lines? Midpoints of line. D is a midpoint of line AB, correct? And E is a midpoint of line AC. You can see that AC line is there and there is a midpoint E, okay, respectively. What we are going to prove here according to the statement, that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So which is that line segment? Line segment is actually DE, which is parallel to the third side of the triangle. So here the third side is BC. This is we have to prove. Okay, so let us do that now. First we will write the information. Since D and E are midpoints of AB and EC, AC, I can write, therefore, I can say that since D is in the middle of the point, so obviously DB and AD, they both are of same length, they both are same, okay? So since it is midpoint, I can say that AD is similar, is same as BD or DB. You can write DB also, BD also. Okay, the length is same for both. Similarly, on the other side, I can also say that the length of AE is same as length of EC from the diagram, since E is the midpoint. Okay, if you take a long ruler which is 30 centimeter, you break it into half, then obviously both the half portion of the ruler, one will be the 15 centimeter, other one also will be the 15 centimeter. So both the length of both the rulers is same. This is what it is trying to say. Okay, since those lengths are same, I can also write the ratio of AD divided by DB. Suppose AD the length is 5 centimeter and DB is also 5 centimeter, right? Both the values are same, the length is same, so both the numbers will be also same. If numbers are same, when you divide it, you get answer 1. So AD divided by DB, I can also write it as 1. Finally, whatever number it can be 100 divided by 100, 15 divided by 15, any number which are same, when you divide, you get answer 1. Similarly, I can also say that AE divided by EC is also equal 1 in that condition. So therefore, since both the ratios are giving us answer 1, can I write AD upon DB is also same as AE upon EC, right? It is obvious because both the ratio is giving you same answer. So I can write AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay, so here finally we have proved already. So therefore, by the converse of basic proportionality, theorem, it is already proved that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, thank you.